Let's integrate this problem. First, we need to reciprocal to get a positive exponent. We get the integral of 1 over 3x minus 2 raised to 11 dx. Now, we evaluate this using u substitution. Let u is equal to 3x minus 2. Get the derivative of 3x minus 2. Du 3 dx. Since no coefficient, let's divide both sides by 3. Then cancel. The integral of 1 over u raised to 11 du over 3. Lipat lang natin. We get 1/3 the integral of 1 over u raised to 11 du. We evaluate this using this rule is equals to negative 1 over n minus 1 times x raised to n minus 1. Then substitute, we get 1/3 negative 1 over 11 minus 1 u raised to 11 minus 1 plus c. 1/3 negative 1 11 minus 1 10 u raised to 11 minus 1 10 plus c. Then multiply lang natin, we get negative 1 over 3 times 10 30 u raised to 10 plus c. Palitan lang natin si u ng negative 1 over 30 3x minus 2 raised to 10 plus c. Tada! Basic right?